What's up, fellas and ladies? This is your boy, the Dreaded Geek. Today I will be unboxing the Fitbit Versa Special Edition band. I can say I've been liking the Fitbit products for a long time, guys, and I'm very excited about this model. So you know what? Let's get to it. So let's see. Okay. Oh, nice black box. Okay, let's open it. Ooh. Let's see. Oh man, guys. Let me take this off. Oh, power right on. Oh man, this is nice. This is real nice. As you guys can see, you got this nice woven band right here. I guess you can say it's almost like a blend of salt and pepper. Like it. And I love the form factor of this screen. This is amazing. Wow. I think the average consumer would definitely like this band because of the form factor. Wow. Okay. Let's keep on going. And put that right there. We got right here. Okay. We got our manual right here. Okay. Let's put that to the side, guys. Okay. Oh, we got the large woven band. So I guess this came with a small. Yeah, this is small. Because I can tell you right now, that's not going to fit around my wrist. So this is small band. So it comes with a large woven band also. Cool. Okay. Oh wow. So then you get the regular bands, small and large. Nice. Nice. Okay, let's put that to the side. What else we have here? Oh, got this little oh, the charging adapter. Oh, okay. Hmm. Looks like a clamp. Hmm. Let's see. It reminds me of the Charge 2, which I have right now. Just a little bit more bigger. But let's see if we can get this set up on this really quick. Okay. Oh, look at that. On the first time. Yeah, man, this is nice, man. Yeah, Fitbit, I know they like using their own proprietary chargers. I wish they would have went with like the USB, but you know, each to his own. So, but man, this is really nice. Really nice. I can't wait to test this out in the gym. So as you guys can see, yeah, nice. It's really nice. So let's undock that. You know what? I want to try this on really quick. I know this is unboxing, but I want to try this on really quick. So like you press the pin, torch yourself. Oh, disconnects. Okay. So let's try to put the large band on. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Oh, okay. Finally got it in. That's kind of weird, but yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna take this off really quick, guys. See how this feels. Stick that plastic on. Oh man, that's nice. I don't know if you guys can, yeah, you guys can see that. That's really nice. Wow. Feels really comfortable on the wrist. It's light. Yeah, man. Because I know before I had the um, Um, the blaze and the blaze was humongous, man. It was ridiculous. Had to take it back, you know. But this feels real great on the wrist. Wow, that's amazing. Take this off. But yeah, there you have it. You know, for now, you know, this is the new Fitbit Versa, and I would definitely be testing this out and letting you know what I think about it. Wow, this straps feel feels really good, guys. Wow. But you know, I appreciate you guys checking out my video, and if you have any questions, leave them below, man. All right, Dreaded Geek out.